Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I'm going to show you quickly how to clean out this cartridge. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do after you cut the timer off is go ahead and release the pressure in the tank. That'll help depressurize the filter body here, so we can go ahead and move this clamp and pull the lid off a lot easier and a lot safer. Now that we got the lid off, a good tip is to make sure that we don't put the lid in the dirt or the ground, just because some lids have the O-ring on that lid and we just don't want to get a bunch of dirt and debris in it. Fortunately, the Clean and Clear here has the O-ring over on the filter body. Tip 2, to get the lid off, sometimes they're seized on or a little stuck. You can take your feet and step right on that base right there, not on the plumbing over here, but on the base, to help support and create some torque to get that lid off without fear of busting any plumbing. Alright, so now we're ready to clean. Couple tips. First thing, close the timer box. You want to make sure all the electrical is blocked from any water spraying around. When cleaning the filter, you want to work from top to bottom. You want to hold the nozzle not right up against it, but a good foot or two off, so that way you're not possibly puncturing a hole in the cartridge. And you want to work from top to bottom. The bottom half of the cartridge is where a lot of the mud and gunk sits, so spend a lot of time there to go ahead and get it clean. So all we're going to do is just work our way from top to bottom, rotate the cartridge as we go around until the entire thing's clean. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we can give this little strip that we're working on, we can stop it once we start noticing a bunch of clear water coming out of the bottom there. If there's still green and brown, we'd keep spraying it and keep the dirt coming out. And we just keep working our way around until it's completely done. Alright, so the filter's all clean, we got it back in. Now we're going to use some spray silicone to spray the O-ring. Always make sure you're using a spray silicone, not any other type of lube. It's got to be silicone. So we'll work our way around. So then a couple quick tips in regards to the filter. You want to make sure that if the pleats have wording on it, that it's right side up, so you know the cartridge is orientated correctly. And then in the particular, with Pentair anyways, notice here it says align with inlet. So the inlet to the pump's right here. So that's the only way this core will click into the cartridge. So pay attention for orientation too when you're taking care of these. So let's go ahead and button it up and we'll be done. Alright, so the final steps to getting this up, all we gotta do is once the system's on, fill it with water. Might take a few depending on the size of the filter. Go ahead and close it down and take a note here at the starting pressure. And the bezel there's aligned properly, so that way we know once it gets up to 22 or so, we know go ahead and clean it. So that's how you clean a cartridge filter. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Have a good day, everyone.